Creative Stamping Magazine issue 71 has arrived. Not only are you going to get 103 projects in this magazine, you are also going to get 32 stamps. That's right, they're all clear stamps and just really sweet imagery. You see the bird, the flowers, all the way there. You can do love, laughter, and happily ever after. You can do wedding, you can do engagement, or you can just do birthday, anything. So very, very, very versatile. So let me show you inside the magazine where I have those Post-it notes taped, and you can see lots of ways to use these sweet little stamps. So we'll get in here a little bit closer if you don't mind. Thank you, Houston. So wishing you a special birthday. Isn't that cute? Right on top of the pleated edge right there, and then right down below, step by steps, how to make that pleated edge. Really sweet. I thought this was very nice. Just a really nice way to use maybe your scraps of pattern paper and have them coordinate with your stamped image on your engagement, or it could say happy birthday or whatever you like. So lots of ideas. And as you can see, so making some flowers and adding the stamp pieces on top. Very nice. Doing a little bit of iris folding, very simple manner. We've got an article with Helen Griffin, who is behind Simply Made Crafts. You've seen some of her items here at Paper Wishes. And then again, we've got more ideas, and all of the instructions are written with dimensions, and they are either in centimeters or in inches, but that's easy to translate. So lots of ideas in here, more to do with the cards or the stamps, and showing you how to do the no line coloring. If that's a look you'd like to experiment, really sweet with those swans. And there's more. This is Happily Ever After. Isn't that pretty? Very different look. And we've got so many ideas, as you would expect. Now this is showing some color washes, and I think that's really nice with doing your stamp with white embossing powder and then doing inking over it. It just creates a very pretty look. And finally, doing some things if you want to use it for a wedding planner. Very nice. And isn't that pretty? Just coming off the edge there. Again, great ideas. Some little pillow boxes. Works beautifully. Okay, so Creative Stamping, issue 71. All of those stamps, my word, they're as big as the magazine. All of this is available now, and they are only available here at paperwishes.com.